Guess what I got in the mail yesterday? Today we're going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics new Valentine's Day collection. I ordered this and it arrived in the mail yesterday. This is the eyeshadow palette. These are the lashes. This is the highlight, Dream About Me. Mine is weird because you can kind of move it around. And I don't know if you're supposed to be able to do that, but that's weird to me. And I'm so picky, like that bothers me. Came with the lip balm set trio, strawberry, candy heart, and cherry. I'm gonna try on the cherry because I love anything flavored cherry. Look at that. And I do love her lip balms a lot. They're skinnier than the first time she launched lip balms. Comes with 3 lip glosses. They're shaped like a heart. How cute. Comes with 2 lip kits and 3 blush sticks, cream blushes. I'm gonna take the color Chocolate Strawberries and apply that on my eyelids. Ooh, it smells like chocolate. My God, it smells like chocolate. Guys, this palette is scented. So I do like Kylie's formulas, and the colors that she picked out for this palette are beautiful. I just don't really understand the colors together, but they are stunning. Cherries and Cream is the other one that I'm using now. I'm sorry for the loudness. My dad is always outside, like my door, talking loud. All right, I just completed some of the eye. I added a dark brown and then cut the crease. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Can't Compete. Let me zoom you guys in. Wow. Holy shit, look at this is from the Kylie palette, y'all. Finished my eyes so far. I will finish them later, but now I'm gonna move on to skin. I'm gonna do my skin routine and then we're gonna be right back so that we can try on some cream blush. Now I'm gonna open all 3 cream stick blushes. Make him blush. How freaking cute. Look at that color. Oh my lord. These are all 3 of the colors. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna apply it, make him blush. Ooh. I love the formula. It blended out so beautifully. Put a little on my nose. I'm using By the Fire on my lower lash line. And I'm also adding it on top of Cherries and Cream on the eyelid. Check out part 2 for the rest. Welcome to part 2 of trying out the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's collection. I am gonna go in with the highlighter in the shade Dream About Me. Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. Yes, I added some rhinestones. So I don't know if anybody else's came like this, but this like moves on the inside. I don't know why it does that, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. Very pretty. Adding a second layer. Bam. You can't see it so much on camera, but this highlight has like a pinky glittery shift to it and it's very beautiful. I'm putting the highlight on the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna add the Kylie Valentine's Day lashes that came in the collection. Wow. This is the color No One's Baby. And this is the color About Last Night. They're so cute because you can gift them. Adjusted my hair. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kylie lip kit in the shade About Last Night. Liquid lip. Final step is the lip gloss. I'm gonna be putting Miss Jenna. I wish I had Miss Jenna money. This formula is so good. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this makeup look. I'm so pretty, oh so pretty. Today is Super Bowl, so you know I had to get all cutified and glamified and whatnot for my football players. Hey, I am obsessed with the makeup collection. Definitely think you should get it. To be honest with you, my favorite piece from the collection, believe it or not, the lashes. Amazing. Also, the cream blush was such a beautiful formula. It was amazing. And this lip gloss formula feels very different from all her other ones, so I'm really obsessing over the formula of this lip gloss right now. It's so wet looking. Gotta get that shit wet first. And I'm a sucker for lip balms, so I'm like really happy I have these. Did you guys pick out anything from the collection? If you did, leave it down below because I would love to know. Kylie, send me PR, girl. This shit's getting expensive, honey. But I still look cute though. I'm feeling myself.